Hello there, and welcome to Fix Your Smile. Today, we are going to talk about a very important milestone in your little one's life, their very first visit to the dentist for a teeth cleaning. I know that for many parents, the thought of this can bring on a bit of a wobble. You might be worried your child will be frightened, or that they won't sit still, or that the whole experience will be a dreadful battle. But I am here to tell you that it absolutely does not have to be that way. With a bit of preparation and a positive mindset, you can transform this appointment from a source of anxiety into a fun and exciting adventure for your child. The first dental visit is about so much more than just checking for cavities. It is your opportunity to set the stage for a lifetime of good oral health. When a child's first experience with a dentist is positive, they are far more likely to see dental care as a normal, helpful part of life rather than something to be feared. Think of this first cleaning as a special outing, one that you and your child get to experience together. It is a chance to learn, to explore, and to celebrate a big step in growing up. Remember, your calm and confident attitude will be the most important tool you have. You are their guide, and they will look to you for cues on how to feel. So let's get ready to make this first dental visit a roaring success. Preparation is absolutely key. Weeks before the appointment, you should start introducing the idea of the dentist in a very gentle and positive way. You can call them the tooth fairy's friend, or call them a smile keeper. Use simple, upbeat language. Say things like, "Soon we're going on a special trip to see the dentist." They will count your teeth and make them super sparkly. Avoid using negative words: shot, drill, pain, hurt. Children are very perceptive, and they will pick up on any anxiety in your voice. One of the best ways to demystify the dentist is through play. Set up a dentist's office in your living room. Take turns being the dentist and the patient. Use a toothbrush to count the teeth of a favorite teddy bear. Let your child try a small handheld mirror to look at their teeth. Story time is another wonderful tool for preparation. There are many children's books about a first trip to the dentist. Point out the big comfy chair, the bright light, the friendly dentist. As the day gets closer, create a simple countdown calendar. Let your child put a sticker on each day. This builds positive anticipation and helps them visualize when it will happen. The morning of the appointment should be as calm and routine as possible. A rushed and stressful start to the day will only heighten your child's anxiety and your own. Make sure you wake up with plenty of time so you are not hurrying through breakfast or getting dressed. A relaxed pace is essential. Talk about the day's plans in the same cheerful tone you have been using all along. After we have our breakfast, we will get ready for our fun trip to the dentist's office. I've packed your favorite teddy bear to come with us. Packing a small comfort bag is a brilliant idea. A favorite small toy, a beloved stuffed animal, a special blanket. Having a familiar object to hold can provide a huge sense of security for a child in a new environment. You could also pack a quiet activity or a book for the waiting room. Plan to arrive at the dental office a little bit early, but not so early that you have a long, drawn-out wait. About 10 to 15 minutes is perfect. This gives your child time to acclimate to the new surroundings without feeling rushed. Walk them around the waiting room, pointing out any child-friendly features like a fish tank or a play area. Speak in a soft, calm voice. While you're waiting, this is the perfect time to use some of your calming routines. Sing a soft, familiar song together. Play a simple I Spy game. If your child is feeling a bit wobbly, sit them on your lap for a comforting cuddle. When you are called into the treatment room, your demeanor is paramount. Walk in with a smile, holding your child's hand. Let the dental staff lead the way. A good pediatric dental team is specially trained to communicate with children. They will often use a tell-show-do technique. Your job is to be a quiet, supportive presence. Allow the dentist and hygienist to build their own rapport with your child. Your trust in them will transfer to your little one. You may be asked to sit in the dental chair with your child on your lap, or you might be given a seat right next to them. Either way, physical touch can be very comforting. You can hold their hand, gently stroke their arm, or place a reassuring hand on their leg. Use simple positive phrases to praise their cooperation.
You are doing such a wonderful job opening your mouth wide. Look at you being such a great helper for the dentist.
If your child becomes hesitant or starts to cry, it's important that you remain calm. Your panicked reaction will only escalate their fear. Listen to the dental professional's guidance. They have seen it all before and have techniques to manage these situations.
It's okay, sweetheart. We're almost done. You're being so brave.
Throughout the cleaning, maintain positive body language. Keep a gentle smile on your face and nod along as the dentist explains things. Your child will be looking to you constantly for social cues. If you look relaxed and confident, they are much more likely to feel that way too. You are their emotional barometer. The moment the cleaning is over, it is time for immediate and enthusiastic praise. As soon as your child sits up, give them a big hug. Tell them how incredibly proud you are. Be specific with your praise. Instead of just saying "good job," say, "You were so brave when you sat in the big chair all by yourself. I was so impressed with how you opened your mouth for the dentist to count your teeth." This specific feedback helps them understand exactly what they did well. Let them see your genuine delight in their accomplishment. Many dental offices will offer a small prize or sticker at the end of a visit. Allow them to choose their reward and make a big deal out of it. This tangible prize serves as a happy souvenir of their successful visit. Following this, plan a small, non-sugary treat. It doesn't have to be big. Trip to their favorite park, extra story time before bed, earning a special sticker for their achievement chart at home. The reward should be linked directly to their brave behavior at the dentist. Once you are home, keep the positive conversation going. Ask, "What was your favorite part of visiting the dentist?" Or, "Wasn't it funny when Mr. Tickle, the polisher, tickled your teeth?" If they mention something scary, validate it first. "Yes, that whirring sound was a bit loud, wasn't it? But it did such a great job making your teeth sparkle." Use this successful visit as a springboard to reinforce good dental habits. That evening, say, "Let's brush our teeth just like the dentist showed us to keep them super shiny." Praise their brushing. They're practicing to be a great helper for their next dental visit. It is so important for us as parents to understand why these early dental visits matter so much. Baby teeth are not just practice teeth. They play a crucial role in your child's development. Proper chewing, good nutrition, speech development, clear word and sound formation, placeholders for adult teeth, holding space in the jaw. Early loss from decay can cause spacing problems, crowded teeth later on, potential orthodontic work. First checkups, cleaning, monitoring development, spotting issues early, bite problems, jaw growth concerns, thumb-sucking habit, preventative care, fluoride varnish application. Think of the dentist as a partner in your child's overall health. Expert guidance beyond cavities. Proactive care beats reactive treatment. Establishing a dental home from a young age, a familiar place for routine cleanings, a familiar place for unexpected issues. When children trust their dental team, future treatment is less stressful. Familiar faces equal safety, continuity builds trust and cooperation, easier management through childhood and adolescence. Introducing dental care positively teaches a vital life lesson, showing that self-care and seeking help are normal. This serves overall wellness throughout life. You are empowering them to be proactive. Confidence and good habits pay dividends for decades. A healthy smile, a positive approach to self-care. So there you have it. A step-by-step guide to making your child's first teeth cleaning a positive and even joyful experience. It all begins with you. Preparation, positivity, a calm spirit. You set the tone for success. Start early, use play, use stories to make a fun dentist narrative. On the day, your calm presence, comforting routines. You are their safe space. Your confidence becomes their confidence. During the visit, be a supportive co-pilot, offer quiet encouragement, offer physical reassurance. Let the dental professionals do their wonderful work. Afterwards, celebrate bravery, give genuine praise, give a special treat. Positive reinforcement turns an appointment into a proud accomplishment. Every step builds trust and shows that healthcare is positive and empowering. Don't let your own past anxieties cast a shadow. Pediatric dentistry has changed. Offices are welcoming. Staff are trained to make children feel safe and comfortable. Trust their expertise. Trust your ability to guide your child. You have the tools. You have the techniques. You can make this a wonderful memory. Your child will thrive with your loving support. Take a deep breath. You've got this. Go forward with confidence. Get ready to see your little one shine. with polished teeth and pride. You are a fantastic parent, setting your child up for a lifetime of success. Don't forget to smile, like, share, and subscribe.